Hello, welcome to Food Immerse, a channel where we not only teach you how to cook delicious dishes, but immerse ourselves in the history, culture, science, and beauty of food. I'm Lorraine, and I'm so excited for you to join me on this journey, exploring different cuisines, ingredients, and cooking techniques. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. Thai chicken satay with peanut sauce. While Thai chicken satay is incredibly popular, the dish actually originated in Indonesia. It was brought to Thailand by traders where it became a beloved street food. The marinade combines 12 different ingredients, including lemongrass, galangal, chilies, turmeric, brown sugar, dark soy sauce, and fish sauce. This mixture gives the chicken a savory, slightly sweet, and aromatic flavor profile. It's important to marinate the chicken for several hours or overnight to allow the ingredients to penetrate the meat, making it tender and more flavorful when grilled. One of the key features of Thai chicken satay is its peanut dipping sauce. We will provide the ingredients and cooking instructions toward the end of this video. Traditionally, satay is served on wooden skewers, which helps cook the chicken evenly and makes it easy to eat as a street food or appetizer. Let's talk about a couple specialized ingredients that we'll be using in the marinade: turmeric and dark soy sauce. For more info on lemongrass and galangal, check out the intro to our Tom Kha Gai video. Though we commonly refer to it as a spice, turmeric is actually a root like ginger and galangal. Its use dates back over 4,000 years to ancient civilizations in India and Southeast Asia, both as a culinary ingredient and for its medicinal properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is what gives it its vibrant yellow color and also provides many of its health benefits, including as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Both the root and ground forms of turmeric are used in cooking and contribute a warm, earthy flavor to dishes. Unlike regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce is thicker, darker, and more flavorful. It has a rich, deep umami taste with a slightly sweet, molasses-like flavor. This makes it great for adding depth to dishes, especially in stir-fries, marinades, and braises. Dark soy sauce is typically aged longer than regular or light soy sauce. This aging process enhances its flavor, making it more complex and intense. Unlike regular or light soy sauce, which is commonly used for dipping sushi or as a table condiment, dark soy sauce is mainly used for cooking due to its strong concentrated flavor, and is often used in Chinese and Southeast Asian marinades as it helps create a caramelized glaze when the dish is cooked. Any brand of dark soy sauce will work and can be found in the Asian section of large grocery stores, in Asian markets, or online. Traditional satay is grilled over charcoal, which adds a smoky char that complements the nuttiness of the peanut sauce. However, you can use an electric tabletop grill, as we do in this video, and still get an excellent and very flavorful result. If you do use a charcoal grill, you should soak the wooden skewers in water for at least a couple hours to prevent them from catching fire. Let's get cooking. To make Thai chicken satay, you will need 2 stalks lemongrass, 2 shallots, 4 garlic cloves, 1 or 2 red chilies, a 2-inch piece of galangal, a half teaspoon ground turmeric, 2 tablespoons ground coriander, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 3 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, 6 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, and 8 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. For special equipment, you will need a food processor, 10 12-inch wooden skewers. If you're going to use an outdoor charcoal grill, soak them in water for a couple hours first, and a grill, either an indoor electric countertop grill or an outdoor grill. Cut off the darker green part of the lemongrass and then cut off the root. Remove the tough outer layer. This will expose more of the root, which you should cut off. Cut this piece in half. Cut the bottom piece in half lengthwise. This will expose the last part of the root, which you should cut out at an angle. Now make several lengthwise cuts. Turn and cut crosswise into a fine mince. Mince enough lemongrass to make 1/4 cup. Place the 1/4 cup minced lemongrass into a small bowl. Now peel and mince the shallots. Slice the shallots and add them to the lemongrass. Peel the garlic cloves and add the whole cloves to the bowl. Cut the stems off the red chilies, then cut around the membrane and pull it out, wrapping it on the board to remove any remaining seeds. Now turn and cut across into thin slices. Add chilies to the bowl. Cut the ends off the galangal and then use your knife to trim off the skin. Cut into slices and add to the bowl. Add all the prepped ingredients to the food processor. Add the turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Now add the dark soy sauce, the fish sauce, the brown sugar, and finally the vegetable oil. Process well until thoroughly broken down and combined. Taste the marinade. The most prominent flavors should be salty and sweet. Place the marinade in a container and set aside. You can make this the day before you plan to marinate the chicken and store it covered in the fridge. Trim any large pieces of fat from the chicken thighs. Cut into strips about 1 to 1.5 inches wide. Thread onto the skewers. You can put more than one piece on one skewer. Spread the pieces out once on the skewer to maximize the surface area. Place skewers in a glass or ceramic dish. Repeat with the rest of the chicken. Pour marinade over the chicken skewers. Move the skewers around to make sure the marinade gets on all surfaces of the chicken. Cover with plastic wrap. Marinate for a minimum of 4 hours, but preferably overnight. Cook skewers on either a tabletop grill preheated to high or an outdoor charcoal grill. Cook for about 6 minutes on one side and then turn over. The sauté should be done in about 12 to 18 minutes. When sauté is done, remove to a platter and serve with peanut sauce. Recipe for the peanut sauce coming up. Our peanut dipping sauce is made from roasted peanuts, coconut milk, tamarind paste, brown sugar, and a mix of spices, offering a creamy, rich, and slightly tangy complement to the grilled chicken. Tamarind is a tropical tree fruit that comes from the tamarind tree, which is native to tropical Africa but is now widely cultivated in India, Southeast Asia, and many other parts of the world. The fruit grows in long, brown, pod-like shells. Inside it has a sticky, tangy pulp that is both sweet and sour, making it a popular ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes, as well as beverages. Tamarind paste is made by extracting the pulp from tamarind pods and then processing it into a smooth, concentrated form. Tamarind concentrate comes in a liquid form and is stronger than paste, roughly twice the strength. We will use tamarind concentrate in the peanut sauce, but provide measurements for both forms. To make the peanut sauce, you will need 1 cup unsalted roasted peanuts, 1/3 cup water, 1 to 2 garlic cloves, a ½ teaspoon dark soy sauce, a ½ teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, a ½ teaspoon tamarind concentrate or 1 teaspoon tamarind paste, a ½ teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1/3 cup full-fat unsweetened coconut milk. The only special equipment you will need is a food processor. Peel and mince the garlic clove. I have a large one here, so I'm using 1. If you have small cloves, you can use a couple. Even though the garlic is going into the food processor, we mince it first to make sure we don't end up with any large pieces in the finished sauce. Add the minced garlic to the food processor. Add the roast peanuts and the water to the food processor. Next, add the dark soy sauce, the sesame oil, the brown sugar, and the fish sauce. Next, add the tamarind concentrate or paste, the cayenne pepper, and finally the coconut milk. Process until smooth. Taste for balance. Cover and keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Thank you so much for joining Food Immerse and exploring different cuisines, ingredients, and cooking techniques. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss a single delicious episode. If you make this dish, I would love to hear about it in the comments or shoot me an email. Until next time, cheers to good food.